Hello everyone, so welcome to my course on Laplace transforms. Today we will see what is Laplace of 1 upon root t, and it acts as a counter example to the converse of existence theorem of Laplace transforms. If you have not seen my lecture on existence theorem, then you can see the link in the description. So, and also the second thing, 1 upon root t is a function of exponential growth. I have taken this example when I talked about exponential growth. For that also the link is in the description, you can have a look. Okay, so now question is, what is Laplace of 1 upon root t? So this is the definition of a gamma function. Now if I want to solve this, I will try to bring this into this form. So what I have, e raised to minus u, but here I am having e raised to minus st. So what to do is you substitute u equal to st, and therefore what do you have? You have du is equal to s dt. So therefore if I do this substitution over here, what I get? Integration. When t is 0, my u is also 0. When my t is infinity, my u is also infinity. So what I have, the limits remains the same. I have e raised to minus u. What is my t? It is u upon s. Okay, so it is nothing but, and what is my dt? My dt is nothing but du upon s. Okay, now if I try to simplify this, what I can take out? This is nothing but, so this is nothing but 0 to infinity. You simply invert this, so this becomes plus sign, and now this is root s and this is s. So you have 1 upon root s, and that will come outside. So you have 1 upon root s, e raised to minus u. This u will go at the top, so you have u raised to minus half into du. Now if you compare this with this definition of gamma function, your alpha minus 1 is minus half. Therefore your alpha is nothing but half over here. If you put alpha equal to half, you get this thing over here. So this is nothing but 1 upon root s into gamma half. Now what is gamma half? Gamma half is nothing but root pi. Well, the proof requires double integration. I mean, there are plenty of other proof as well, but I won't go into detail. You can treat gamma half equal to root pi, and therefore your answer is nothing but root pi upon s. Therefore Laplace transform of 1 upon root t exists, even though 1 upon root t is not defined at 0. Okay, but then is this function a piecewise continuous function? See, what does the existence theorem for Laplace transform says? If you have a function which is piecewise continuous and the function of exponential growth, then the Laplace always exists. But the converse is not true. If the Laplace exists, your function did not satisfy one of the two conditions or both the conditions. So here the Laplace exists. We saw that this is a function of exponential growth. See the link in the description for exponential growth lecture. But this is not piecewise continuous. Why this is not piecewise continuous? Because see, if I take the interval 0 comma infinity, then this interval, the function is not defined at 0. Hence it is not continuous at 0. Okay, so but if I take suppose 0 comma infinity, is the function piecewise continuous? No. If you see my lecture on existence theorem, there I have talked about the definition of a piecewise continuous function, and there what I said, if you have an open interval, and when do you say this is piecewise continuous? On the open interval, when you approach this point, your limit should be finite. That means if I approach 0 from right hand side, my limit of the function should exist. But what is this? This is nothing but, let me take t over here. So this is nothing but my t, because I am using t. And what is this? This is nothing but infinity. That means this does not exist. So since as I approach 0, this thing does not exist, therefore the function is not piecewise continuous. So if the Laplace of a transform exists, it need not satisfy both the condition or even one of the condition. Okay, so this is a counter example to the existence theorem. So I hope the example is clear. If not, you can ask me your doubt in comment section, and if this is clear, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.